Hey, what's up, my name's Rob, welcome back to the channel. We've got another banger night for a sunset shoot tonight. So I threw all my stuff in the car, ready to go, and then I pulled my phone out of my pocket and I was just like, ah, no. Entire evening of shooting ruined. But then I remembered I shoot with a DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone and one feature just saved an entire evening's worth of shooting. Oh yeah, let's go. One of my best friends in high school used to actually live on this road. I wonder if they're still there. I feel like I've misjudged this in trainers. Oh, f*** it. Full send or don't bother. Alright, so now that I am crouched amongst the shrubbery looking appropriately shifty, let's talk about that feature that saved tonight's shoot. So like I said earlier, I got to the car, threw all my stuff in the car, pulled my phone out of my pocket and saw this. See, that says 15% battery on my phone. So the problem is, I kind of need my phone to fly my drone with the DJI app. And I was like, well, 15% battery, that's not going to do a whole lot, is it? This evening's a write-off. Until I remembered that this controller, when you plug it in, will charge your phone whilst you fly the drone. And what a little saviour that is. So thanks for that feature. We're going to throw this little guy in the air and see if we can get some banger sunset shots. Oh yeah, let's go. So I think we all know what time it is. Welcome to today's episode of Can I land my drone on my camera bag without crashing it? I think we already know the answer. Also, this is that noise I was saying it makes when your battery's low. Horrifying. This is an anxiety attack waiting to happen. So I'm making an executive decision to not take on the sand dune again. I'm gonna go the long way round. It's cool. So I just overheard a woman call her child a d***head, and that's probably the most Talacra thing that could ever happen. What a place. For reference, it is pronounced Talacra, not Torlaker, not Talaka, and definitely not Tallywhacker. Although that one is probably the best. So in a world where cameras and like tech in general is just stuffed full of features, and you read like a feature list on something and you're like, yeah, I'm never going to use that. It's quite refreshing to find like a real world use for a feature. Like that whole charging your phone through the controller thing is the only reason we were able to get drone shots tonight. So it's actually like a beneficial feature, and that just makes you feel all warm inside. We're back in the sand again. Not a vibe. Bye bye Talacra Lighthouse, no doubt I'll see you again soon. Thanks for basically being a landscape photography booty call. Appreciate it. So cheers for coming to hang out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more stuff like this. And hopefully, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!